Hello friends, just today I am going to discuss Linux. So just most of the everybody knows Linux is an operating systems like MA, Mac OS and Windows, and it's the most popular of open source and free as in a freedom operating systems. It's a power the vast majority of servers and compose the internet, and it is a base upon which everything is built upon. So Linux core it is called a kernel. So it was born like 1991 in the Finland, and it went like uh, really a long way for its humble beginnings. So it went on to be a kernel on the GNU operating systems and creating Duo GNU Linux. So let's today just I am using a AWS. It's a cloud platform, so I will advise everyone just everyone you must use a cloud platform like a Google Clouds, yeah, the Azure Clouds, it's a Microsoft's, and we are using Amazon's clouds. So this is the clouds, and my previous video we can see how to connect EC2 and Ubuntu and other Linux platform. So Linux is the ultimate freedoms, you can see here. It can also use like a day-to-day computers, and everywhere we can only use. So today I will try to like some commands. So what's a powerful commands is the so first command just I want to introduce to, we can like help to understand the other commands. So if you write here like the ls commands, so most of the time ls commands it's a introduce every list and directory in your command. So let's first I am going to here connect here my system here. Okay, so we are going to the connecting my system with the Linux. It's a way it takes us some time, yeah, and then we will see here my system has been connected, and now I want to see list of directory contents. So we will try to use here the ls commands. So ls, and just I have created a two directory, one is the bhu edu, another is a mani. So list of the directory, so list of files in the one per line. If you want to see here list of the file per line, so I will see like here ls, and it's a -1. So you see here it's a line by line, we can see here list files one per line. Similarly, if you want to see here the list all files including hidden files is also including hidden file, just I am emphasizing here. So ls, and you write here -a, so including hidden files. So let's see is before means previous we are not able to see the same hidden file. Now we will see here the some .ssh, .profile, .cache, these are the hidden file. So list of the all file including a hidden files we will see here like a ls -a commands. Another just if you are long format list, so like a permissions, ownership, size and modifications, date of all the files if you want to see. So we are able to see here like a ls and like a slash l a. So we can see here, so just you will see in the here in the Ubuntu, this one March and this one is the 13.6. It's a timing is also has been given, and history of these files has been given, and it's the directory and file all it has been described here. Similarly, if you want to see the long format list with a size display using a human readable, like it's a size in the KB, MB, GB. So let's see the ls excuse me, ls here and slash lh. So let's see, you can see here there are two file, it has been two directory has been created here. So long format list sorted in the size, we can also the size in the like a descending orders. So ls and you can write here ls or slash like a is is the capital. So let's see here, these are the long format file, long format list of the file if you want to share. So it's a we will write here like a ltr. So ls ltr, ls and ltr here. So we can see here we cannot access the l tr. So store, so it means it's a modifications date, so don't have means we don't have the modified file here. So this is not the substitute for a like a man, but it's a handy tool to avoid losing. So we want to the clear here, so clear here. So we will clear each and everything. So it's a very easy to like we want to get a huge amount of informations present, like a similarly any page like a man page here, then you can use like a man page to explore all the different options and parameters. So you can use, it's a millions of the thousands of the commands here. So inside of the folder you can list all the files, the folder. So ls commands we will see here the ls. So we will see here there are the two directory. If you add the folder name or path, if you want to add a folder name and a path, so it will print that like a folder contains like a ls and slash bin. It's a look here forward space here, and it's a bin here like a bin. So we can see here bin. So if you add a folder name or path, it will print the folder content. So these are the already it has been given, and if you want to the print here, so it's easy to print here. So these are the multiples add means you add a folder's name or path you can do. So ls accept a lot of options. So one of the my different combinations or options here. So let's try here ls. Let's clear here, and then let's go here like ls and slash al, and you write a bin, bin. So accept a lot of the options. So one of the it's a, if you write this way, So it's a ls and it's a slash al and slash bin. Okay, so ls and let's slash al and think let's give a bin. Yeah, so we can you can see here, so your lrw it has been like a, you can see the roots and the 7 April 22 2024. So being users, so it's accepts like options or combinations of minus slash lr. So it's a compare to the plain ls and this returns the much more informations about this. Similarly, the file permissions, if your system supports ACLS, you get the ACL flags as well, the number of links to that files, the owner of the files, group of the files, the file size in bytes, the file modification, date times, the file name. So the set date generations is also by like a lfs and also shown like the hidden files. It's a start like a dot. So let's see the cd command. Cd commands means if I have a folder and you can move into it's using like a cd command, means changing a directory. So let's say we have created a 2 directories, so you invoke in the specify folders to move into, you can specify the folders names, entire paths. So we will try to create the mkdir and I want to create a one folders fr uits fruits and just mkdir fruits, and let's see here. Then you can see the ls commands and your fruits file directory has been created. Now you are into the fruits folders, so let's go here like a cd fruits, cd and fruits fruits, and it's a enter here. So you have entered in your like a folders, it's a fruits folders, and you can write anything, so it will like a added in the fruit folders. So it means like a cd means change directory, cd means change directory. So you can specifying a folder to move into one folder to another folders. You can use like a cd dot cd and twice dot, so it will return, yani it will be back to the home folder. So let's see, again you have returned in the previous folders. So and similarly if you want to write the something, so hashtags you can comment section you can use here. So let's see, just I am going to the, you can use it's a path like a mkdir fruits fruits, and I am going to, because it mkdir it has been created, so it is not a creating. And if you want to the create here like a mkdir and it's a cards, so it has been, and let's see here ls command. So let's see the ls command here. So we can see here the command is not found. Okay, why it's a ls we have given, yeah. So let's see the car has been created. Now I want to the cd fruits, cd fruits, and we will see in the enter in the fruits commands. Now I am going to enter in the cards. So let's see the ls cds cd dot and it's a /cars, and then we will enter here the directly into the second like a cars folders. So it's a, these are the basic, and etc. We can also use the multiples folder, so we can enter in the money folder and others. Next command is the pwd. So if you suppose I am going to the, I am realizing here the field the lost the file systems, so pw will be use a current folder, so pwd. So let's see. So these are the current folder. So I hope till here you are understand these things. So we will discuss next in the next class. Thank you very much.